Hello there and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Writecream, an AI that promises to be able to deliver you content by writing it for you. It's kind of crazy, but we're going to get to that in a moment. But before we do, don't forget, if you've got a comment, then feel free to put it in the box below. And of course, if you use the link in the description below, then you're sure to get your money's worth on the software. Anyway, let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so here we are on the page itself. Once you've signed up and you've logged in and all that kind of thing, you get a credit balance of 20, which is, I believe, 10,000 words, something like that. You don't have to put a credit card or anything like that. You literally just go straight through, and you can find the link in the comments description to be able to go straight through to the site. So what we are in here is an AI to write anything you want, basically, artificial intelligence. So we've got our dashboard here, and on here you can see you can select the content type, or content type even, from the options below. Across the top here, you've got your dashboard, your create copy, so obviously you can create copy there, long form editor, your recent activity. You can earn free credits as well, so you can do different tasks to earn free credits. You can upgrade, which is, of course, if you need to upgrade because, you know, maybe you want to write something, but then once you finish writing it, maybe it's not just a one-off, you want to do a regular thing, maybe writing product description or something like that for your Amazon site or whatever you want to do, then this can do it all, basically. So you may need to upgrade at some point, obviously, and then just send feedback. And we've got pretty much the same things down the side here as well. One thing to point out is the change language. You can actually change the language as well, which I think is really cool. So therefore, you know, if you're Spanish or Chinese or whatever, and you're worried about it wouldn't work for you because a lot of these softwares are for English people only generally, this one you can change the language and you can do it in your language as well. You've got the share your feedback again, and you've got your upgrade, so basically all the same tools. The only difference here, you've got social media tools and you've got SEO tools, but obviously these are all at the top as well, and these are also in this bit here. So really you've got the same thing 3 times. I suppose is the best way to explain it. So let's have a look here. We're going to move down and let's have a look what we've got. We've got email personalization, LinkedIn personalization, image icebreaker. That's pretty cool. Pitch an angel. Look at that. You can even make an email to be able to pitch someone an idea, and it will give you the idea of the way to write it. You know I watched a video the other day where somebody paid $22,000 to have somebody write them just one pitching copy, but then that copy made them $8 million worth of revenue. So therefore the return on investment was worth it, you know. But in this case, you don't have to spend, you know, that amount of money. You can obviously get the AI to write it for you. So if you're worried about trying to, you know, write emails to try and get work, or, you know, get jobs, or, you know, sell something or whatever, then you can use this. It can write it for you. You just put in the details that you want. So I tell you what, let's look at some more, and then we'll go back to that in a second. Audio icebreaker, that's pretty cool. You can do audio as well. Blog ideas, Google ad copy. That's really cool, because the thing is that people are always asking for ad experts, that kind of thing. Again, as I always talk about, you can start a business with these things. If you have this as a software, you could even start a business offering certain things to people, like Google ad copy. You could literally just ask them what their thing's about, run it through this system, send back the copy, and charge them for it. Simple as that. It's kind of crazy when you think about it that way. Facebook ad copy, e-commerce product descriptions. Again, another big one, something that lots of people will use. Value proposition, blog headlining, heading expander, website subheadline, YouTube video topic ideas. That's really cool. You can improve your ranking on YouTube by just looking. So let's have a look there. Let's have a creative one of these and see what happens. We'll choose a couple of them. We've got creative voiceover as well. We might have a go at that one in a second. So let's have a look. So product or brand name. So let's say let's say crypto. Why not? Let's say crypto, because crypto seems to be the hot topic at the moment. So product description. What is it? Digital currency, I guess. Currency. Okay, and that's it. I guess that's all you need. So you just add a longer description for better results. Okay, digital currency that you can buy and trade in exchanges, and become rich if you get the correct coin. Let's say that. Okay, digital currency that you can buy and trade in exchanges and become rich if you get the correct coin. Okay, so seems like a good description. 100 to 300 words is what it says. So you just put a basic description, whatever it is your brand name is, and then let's generate and let's see what happens here. So it's generating the output. What is cryptocurrency? A video breaks down cryptocurrencies and how they work. Oh, this is awesome. Literally. So this, now, the trouble with YouTube is that you need to know exactly what's a good title or what's a good thing to do, because you know there's so many videos out there. It's very hard for you to get to know. So even just for YouTubers to figure out, you know, they could put in their niche, and then they can find out lots of different ideas for how to do a video. So in this case, how to become a cryptocurrency mogul. Share the basics of cryptocurrency, share the basics of how you can become a crypto mogul. So not only does it give you the title, but it also tells you how you can do the video. So how to make money, crypto trading. So you share the basics of trading cryptocurrencies and walk viewers through the process step by step. This is brilliant. This is absolutely fantastic for YouTubers, especially because you can literally just put in your niche and find out what it is that you want to do. So let's do something else, shall we? Let's go back to the dashboard. So that's pretty cool already. So I've already used up some of my credit. Oh no, I haven't used any of the credit balance. That's awesome. I've still got 20 credits there left. Let's have a look here. What we got? Let's create a voiceover. Why not? Let's create a voiceover and let's see what it sounds like, because a lot of people pay a lot of money for voiceovers. Now, I don't know what this voiceover is going to be like, I'll be honest with you, but let's have a look here. So let's write some content. So we've got this joke that I found, or well, this funny sort of poem, I guess. Select your language for the voice. So we'll go English US so that most of us can understand it. And let's go. Let's see what it does. Here we go. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear this. Let's have a. This is probably a bad one for me to do, actually, because I'm not sure how much of it you're going to hear.
I've hunted far. I even looked inside my car. I've lost my glasses. I'm in need to have them now so I can read. I loudly swear and I curse that I leave them in my purse. Are they behind the sofa, under the bed? Oh, there they are, on my head.
Okay, so that's the thing. So let's just play it again, just so you can.
I've hunted near. I've hunted far. I even looked inside my car.
Okay, so there you go. So the voice is a little bit robotic. I'll be honest. It's not really my thing. I think that the AI for this I probably wouldn't use, because of the fact that. But then, having said that, a lot of videos people like the robotic side of voice as well. So maybe you would use it for that. I don't know. The good thing is that you're not just getting it for the voiceover. You're getting it for all of these tools, which is absolutely brilliant. There you got Cora Answer Assist, social media tips. What else we got here? Let's pitch an angel. Let's do that. Why not? Let's do that. We're going to do that. So imagine you've got a product that you've been itching to get off the ground. You've been itching to get it, and you've managed to find somebody that will, that will basically take this this project for you and make it fly. But you don't know how to pitch it to them. You don't know what to say. So let's say, what can we invent? Let's have a look. I don't know. Chocolate that doesn't melt. How about that? I don't know why, but a chocolate bar. And let's just say, this chocolate never melts. This chocolate never melts, but tastes amazing and has no calories or added sugar. Okay, so this chocolate never melts but tastes amazing and has no calories or added sugar, which is just random. Obviously, this doesn't really exist. And this is a chocolate bar, and let's generate. Let's see what happens. This is so this is going to now pitch an angel. So let's have a look. Hi, blah, blah, blah. I'm reaching out because I think you'd be interested in my new startup. I'm working on a new chocolate bar that never melts but tastes amazing and has no calories or added sugar. I'm looking for investors to help me get this chocolate to market. I'm in the process of developing and testing the chocolate bar and would love to hear your thoughts. That's brilliant. That's really, really good, because although you would probably maybe think of some of that yourself, there's certain wording in there as well that you probably wouldn't, think of. And also, just the way they've laid it out, how quick is that? There's many times that I've been trying to figure out how I could write an email to someone and say it in the most succinct way without it sounding like, too needy or too odd or too, like, for instance, if you're trying to negotiate payments or something like that, for example, you could get the AI to write something for you and you just copy it and paste it into the email, send it away, and you're good and golden, basically. So, yeah, I think it's really, really cool. There's lots of things you can get the AI to do on here. here. As I said, you've got 20 credits to play around to your heart's content anyway. Let's have a look at how many credits I've got left, and then we can go from there, basically. I've got a feeling that, we've still got the balance of 20. Now, let me just see if that's, well, yeah, it seems to be. Seems to still have the balance of 20, so I guess, you know, you're getting quite a lot of use out of this before your 20 credits are used up anyway. So, you know, there's not much more to say about it, really. You've got your emails there. This is all of them. So if you've got your specific ones you want to look for. So say you know that you want to do a specific email, you just go straight to email. You got your straight to copywriting, straight to social media, or straight to SEO tools, and all that kind of thing. So, yeah, I think there's not much else to say about Writecream, apart from I think it's really cool. But anyway, yeah, that's Writecream for you. The AI that writes anything for you. So there you are, there's my little review of Writecream. As I said, I think it's really cool because not only can you do the things yourself and you can write these emails, copy and paste, saves you lots of time, you know, all the things you need to do, just copy and paste, and it sounds like a real person saying it. It doesn't sound like AI, like, you know, sometimes AI can be a little bit robotic or it can make spelling mistakes or whatever, you know, but this one, it seems to get it dead on every single time, so I'm very impressed with it, I must admit, and I'm going to start using it personally for YouTubes and that kind of thing. I think it's a really great idea. Blog posts or whatever, you know, you just put in your topic, get it written for you, saves you heaps of time, basically. And not only that, as I said before, with some of the other softwares as well, you can use it as a business. You can create a business because you can have, you know, even just on Fiverr. You can go on Fiverr, you can put your services on Fiverr, or you can put your services on Upwork or whatever for creating SEO for people, for creating, you know, all this kind of stuff. And this thing does it all for you. So all you have to do is input the parameters and then send back that stuff and get paid for it. Simple as that. So it's a great side hustle as well. If you're not interested in using it for your own personal use, you can use it as a side hustle to be able to create a business, or you can use it to be able to enhance your business by making you, you know, less time that you use for writing out emails and also more succinct and to the point. Simple as that, really. So, but anyway, yeah, that is Writecream. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, don't forget the links are in the in the description below. So therefore, make sure you click on those to get your money's worth. And of course, if you've got a comment, leave it in the box. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.